Hello, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and this is Youth for Work. Today we will talk about IUET, that is Integral University Entrance Test for Admission in B.tech. IUET exam is conducted by Integral University. This entrance exam offers admissions to aspiring candidates into various B.tech courses as offered by the conducting authority. IUET exam is held every year by Integral University, and that is a state-level exam for undergraduate and postgraduate programs. For applying, IUET application fee is ₹1,000, online mode of payment, and candidates can fill the application form in both the online or offline mode. Hi, we at Youth for Work have come up with the eligibility criteria for cracking IUET exam for B.tech courses. Candidate must have qualified 10+2 examination with physics, mathematics, chemistry or biotechnology or computer science or biology with minimum 50% marks aggregate. 45% for B.tech, CSE, ECE, EE or ME. Candidates who have qualified JEE Main or JEE Advanced or UPSEE or AAMU EEE state-level engineering entrance exams across India will be eligible for direct admission. In this video, we at Youth for Work have brought a session to conduct exam pattern for IUET exam. The mode of exam is online. The duration of the exam will be 90 minutes. In this exam, there will be objective type multiple choice questions. In this exam, there is no negative marking. The total number of questions are 100. And if we talk about IUET syllabus, the number of sections are: in chemistry section, candidate will have 25 questions. In mathematics or biology section, candidate will have 25 questions. In physics, biology section, candidate will have 25 questions. In general studies section, candidate will have 25 questions. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and we at Youth for Work have brought this video so that we can share a few tips and tricks to crack the IUET exam. Prepare a daily schedule so as to give equal attention and time to every subject. There is no negative marking, so try to attempt all the questions. Take online mock tests so that your confidence can increase and you can manage time according to it. I would recommend our Youth for Work's Prep Guru application as it is really easy to use.